vacay. Summer vacay? No, it's winter, girl. What are you talking about? The winter blues, and then I got you. It's kind of still sexy, but it's also like, I could wear this with my toddler. A little like, you know. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today we're doing another try-on styling haul featuring CUPSHE. So huge thank you to CUPSHE for partnering with me on this video. You guys know I love their stuff, especially their summer stuff. It's just so good. It's my favorite place to find bathing suits, I swear. I do have a coupon code for you guys. It is KF15 to save 15% off your order of $65 or more. And I got some good pieces. We are going on a little summer vacay. Summer vacay? No, it's winter, girl. What are you talking about? Yeah, it's absolutely snowing like buckets outside, but I did wish for this. I was excited for snow, but I'm mostly excited to get out now. So yeah, I got some pieces. I have stopped buying like a ton of pieces right before I go on vacation, or thinking I need a whole new vacation wardrobe, but there are pieces that I like to kind of assess what I'm bringing and add some different things in. So I wanted to share with you what I picked for my picks this month from CUPSHE. And yeah, I got some good stuff. So if you're going on a little vacay to kind of cut the winter blues, then I got you. If not, you can stock up on this stuff and dream for summer. Yeah, it's kind of weird trying on bathing suits when it's snowing outside, but like, we're gonna do it anyway. And we're gonna start with my favorite. I got this in navy last month and I knew I needed it in black. It is literally my most favorite flattering, just like, it's kind of still sexy, but it's also like, I could wear this with my toddler and not even worry about it. I needed it in black. So stunning, fits true to size. I love this little metal V, and I love that it comes along the sides of the boobs and kind of like pushes them together. Because if you've had a baby, you know your boobs just, they're never the same. But this swimsuit I feel like does a good job of like keeping them where they need to be, okay? And I like that it covers the sides. It's everything. The back is super cute with the crisscross detail, adjustable straps, amazing. I love literally everything about this swimsuit, which is why I got it in the another color. Navy blue and now black, both of them are going to Cabo with me because I'm obsessed. So this, unfortunately, I love this swimsuit so much, and I tried it on and I wanted to make it work, but I need a medium. So, these swim trunks, or these swim bottoms, like bring me back to like my college years. I hope they're coming back. This little like scrunch booty. I can't try it on for you, unfortunately, because like I said, I literally look like a stuffed sausage in it, but a medium would have fit me perfectly because I still love the style of it. So it's got these cute little strawberries on it. I love swimsuits that are kind of cutesy. I don't know, I just really do. This bandeau with the little, the little sleeves. Oh, so freaking cute. Like I said, both the small bottom and the small top were just too small for me. I truly need like, yeah, a large on the top, but I think I could have gotten away with the medium. Even on the loosest strap, it was just too tight, but such a cute swimsuit. And I'll put a picture of the model wearing it because I need it in the medium. Like, I'm gonna get the medium because it's so dang cute. But love the little like strap detailing. I just think it's so cutesy and just so freaking adorable. I don't know. I like to not just look like sexy in a bathing suit. I like to also look cute in a bathing suit. And this was so cute, but way too small. So size up, at least one size in this swimsuit if you are interested in getting it, because it is so freaking cute. And I think in my next order, if it's still available, we're gonna grab her in a medium. Something that I knew I needed to get for this trip is some swim cover-ups. I just feel like I have to replace them every couple of years because, I mean, not the black one. I've never actually had a black one, what I'm gonna show you, but the white one gets a little like, you know. So this black one, when I saw it, so cute. I thought it would look so cute over the black swimsuit. So it's kind of got this like embossed, I don't know what I wanna say. Like, it's raised kind of stripes in this mesh black. So freaking cute with like gold jewelry, a hat. I loved this. Ooh, sunglasses, yes. This one's really nice. It's so freaking long, and I like that it has little like cuffs that you can kind of cuff and button up the sleeve because they are super long, so it gives like a different look. But this is the right amount of like sexy and like sheerness, but it's still covering because it's like long. I love this. I would feel comfortable walking around with this with a swimsuit on to grab breakfast or anything like that. It is stunning. I love it. The other one I got was just a plain white one. Again, I've had ones like this before. I actually like that it's not fully like linen because it's not gonna like, you know, I love a good linen cover up, but I feel like they wrinkle so easily. This is one that I feel like I could throw in my bag and it wouldn't get wrinkled. I did steam it already once, but I didn't do that great of a job steaming it, now that I'm looking at it. But so cute. Again, it's got kind of like looks like a linen material, but it's much more lightweight, airy and breathable, and again, super long, really nice. I like that it has the one little flat pocket detail. Just wear it over the top of your swimsuit. It goes with the black and the white. You can't go wrong. And I really like the quality and the length and everything, the details on this. I just think it's really nice. So if you're looking for some good swimsuit cover-ups, check out CUPSHE. And the rest I got were dresses, because I truly do like to wear dresses on vacation. I'm not a typical dress girl day to day, but if I can, I like to wear them when I'm on vacation. So I got ones that I still would wear pretty much every day around here as well. This one maybe not so much. This is very vacation-y to me because I would wear it like unbuttoned a little bit, and I wouldn't need to wear a bra with this, honestly, because it's not like tight. If a dress is loose, I won't wear a bra with it, like loose enough. I don't know, and it hides the things, you know what I mean. This I've been seeing on the site for a while now, and I finally was like, pull the trigger on it, girl. I love stripes. Blue and white stripes are my thing. I love this twist detail in the front. I will say it does not come apart, so keep that in mind. It's big enough to slip over. It's very oversized, but stunning. Love the button detailing. It's not too short by any means. You could wear this with heels or with sandals. You could put this as a beach cover up, but I would probably wear it for like an actual night with just some nude heels. So freaking cute. This is a true linen material. It's not double lined, but it's not like sheer once you have it on. You could wear like nude undergarments on, it'd be fine. I wouldn't want it to be double lined because it would make it like hot. So love this, obsessed. So freaking cute on, and can be worn just a million different ways. Like I said, super casual with a pair of like sneakers to do like day trip, walking around, whatever. But obviously could be worn like day to day in the sun. Obviously not right now because it's snowing buckets outside. I'm not kidding, it's snowing buckets outside right now. This dress, if you know me at all, you know this is literally me in a dress. It's literally me in a dress. Tie straps, like, count me in. Anything with little cute, why do I always want to look like a toddler? I don't know, I just do, okay? I love it. These little strap things, so stinking cute, adjustable because they tie, you know? You can change the ties, they're not like stuck there. Love this. It's blue and white striped, and it's like different stripes. I love this. With a pair of Converse, like high top Converse, yes. With like Birkenstocks to just throw in and go, yes. I wore like a little, bralette thing underneath it, a nude one, and I was good to go. So stinking cute. I will wear this all summer long. You can wear this as a bikini cover up as well. Yes, like a boat day, forget about it. But I also will wear it day to day, every day in the summer because it is just so stinking cute and so nautical. And I just, that's literally me in a dress. I couldn't think of anything better. Okay, this dress is a little fun. They sent this to me as like a Valentine's Day dress situation. I don't know, they're so cute. The girl that I work with CUPSHE, I absolutely love her. She's literally the sweetest human in the entire world, but this is so pretty. This could be a night out in Mexico as well, but this has got the most beautiful like orange flowers. It's double lined, but at the bottom it's sheer. It's got like a chiffon sort of layover. Has a little bit of a scrunching detail right at the bust. I did not wear a bra with this. I felt like it like pushed them up enough without feeling like I wouldn't wear a strapless bra with this. I would wear this without a bra, just so you know. It has bungee in the back to make sure your fit is nice, and it has a zipper to get in and out of in the back. I like the length on this dress. Again, adjustable straps. So cute. This would be a really cute wedding guest dress as well, which they have tons of those on the site, but obviously not in the winter. And then y'all know I am a sucker for green and floral. I actually have a dress really similar to this, but it's really short. So when I saw this on the site, I thought it was so cute with the like square neckline, and the little sleeve detail has like this bungee. Again, the detail is really cute. And it's not double lined, so keep that in mind. It's not like sheer by any means, but it's not double lined, so it's pretty lightweight. The bodice on it is kind of like ruffled and really pretty. Yeah, I like this so much. It's got a zipper to get in on the side of it, which is nice, and then it has just bungee in the back, but it's like not super like noticeable bungee. It's just enough to keep you like, give you a more cinched in look, and it's got like a panel underneath the bust to keep you looking more cinched in at the waist, and then it's got this tiered sort of flowy long skirt, which is kind of like a maxi, not quite floor length depending on how tall you are, but I love blue. Oh, this is green, Kelly. I love green dresses with white flowers. I have like 3 of them in my closet. So cute. Again, white Converse, sandals, heels, anything can be paired so many different ways. So that's everything. That's everything that I picked up from my monthly CUPSHE haul order, with the hopes of bringing some of these pieces to Mexico with me. So I will be doing a pack with me Mexico video very soon on the channel, but don't forget to use code KF15 for 15% off your purchase of $65 or more. They have so many different things, so many bathing suits, dresses, swim cover-ups. They've got it all. If you have not checked out CUPSHE, highly recommend it. Their bathing suits 100% are my favorite items from CUPSHE. It's what I fell in love with when I first started looking for places to buy swimsuits, and I still continue to go to them all the time. So I hope you guys enjoyed, found this little try-on styling haul helpful. All of the exact items that I mentioned will be linked down below, as well as the sizes that I chose, so you can kind of just see comparison. Definitely look at their size guide and what the model's wearing to see fit and whatnot. I love that they provide that on their site. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!